just elevate our relatedness and just weave this background of more relatedness, you know? And whoever wants to say something, I want to give Sharita a little break, and I have a question for her, and then we're going to allow whoever wants to come and share and make any questions of Dr. Sharita or anything like that. This is going to flow. But Sharita, I just really want to acknowledge you personally. Sometimes we don't take the opportunity to really let people know how they impact your being and your life. I'm not just talking about your mom and your daddy, but just people. And every time that I've journeyed with Bomani in Africa for the Africans, it's been 6 times. I forgot the number because I couldn't count it initially. He said, "SAS, you don't even know what number you'd be coming to be." I say the wrong number sometimes because I ain't trying to count like that. I come when I come and I leave when I leave, and Sharita's always there. She always comes to meet us. She's always on the program with Bomani, and she's been count-onable. You know, there are people in your life that you can count on. Doesn't have you feel good when you know that? And it's not about knowing her a long time or a strong time. I mean, we're getting related. It's all process. It's all movement, right? But Sharita, you have really inspired me to really want to be here and open up your home so that it can happen. And we say each one teach one, each one reach one. And as one time I came and I shared my gifts, calligraphy and inspirational words, and Sharita liked them and we shared them. And then her father's book was one of those exchanges. Sometimes we barter, right? And the book her dad wrote, and it's amazing. But it's amazing because it's amazing now for me because I bought it on the journey on the plane. And it's called Rebirth of the Gods. I'm a goddess, straight up, okay? And I mean, I know that as an experience. I say you're a spiritual being living in a spiritual universe, but I'm not trying to get you to accept my beliefs. But the book that I'm reading now, it was just reinforcing some things that are really helping. And I want to thank you for that because I had the book, but I just hadn't really taken it in. And it's a time and season for that. So I'd like to thank Dr. Paul Goss, myself, who is your father, and you're just carrying on the great work. And coming out of Atlanta, people, I did not know there, even though we were in the same place, like you said. But we continue in that way. And I definitely give much respect, like you said, to your mother and the family. See, because just like we have the family to come down and our little princess, Nuri, and mom and dad, well, there are pioneering families. Absolutely. You're a part of a pioneering movement. A decade, you see? And there's nothing but much respect for that. And so, Dr. Sharita, I am so glad that you just being your authentic self, it just aligns with my energy. You see? And you don't have to rehearse to be yourself. There's power in you being you. So I'm gonna put a pin in it right there. But I'm looking forward to getting more of that authentic experience. It's like layers of answers in those that have gone before us. And Dr. Sharita is very generous. You're very generous. And I really know that my prayer is that the ancestors and the Creator fulfill all your heart's desires under grace and in a perfect way, because your sacrifices have been great, and your discipline and commitment it helped to bring me here. And I look forward to undergirding you, supporting you in whatever way I can as a sister in service. And I thank Bomani for introducing us. Okay? Okay. I gotta get a hug now. No tears. Happy. It is an exciting time for us. Anybody want the microphone? Sharita?